Hello, this is Jay, design expert at Kitchen Magic, and a question that's discussed at every design consult is, are you going to be keeping your existing appliances or replacing them? Now, if you are keeping all the existing appliances, whether we're doing refacing or new cabinetry for you, we would be resetting those appliances, meaning we professionally pull them out and put them back at the end to make sure that the appliances aren't damaged and that we can properly access the cabinetry to do the work that we need to do. If you are in fact getting new appliances, or maybe just one or all of them, then we want to make sure that the sizes either are the same to what you have now, which there's generally a standard size, but if you are going with variation in size, most commonly a person wants to get a larger refrigerator, then if it's new cabinetry, very simple, we are going to be customizing the new cabinets around the selected appliances. And if it's refacing, then we're gonna be wanting to make sure that if it's going to be taller than what you have, for example the fridge, then we would need to replace the cabinetry that is above the existing fridge, make you a new custom cabinet to accommodate the additional height. But if you are going to be going with a wider fridge, then be aware that you would need to either modify or completely replace the countertop, base cabinet, and wall cabinetry that is adjacent to the refrigerator. And when it comes to the installation and removal of the new appliances, that'll be handled by wherever you purchase those appliances from. And I believe that should be helpful for you in understanding a little bit more about the appliance aspect of your kitchen remodel. Thanks for listening and have a great day.